Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Arc, and this is Mitesh, and today I have brought a budget friendly smartphone for you. So if you are tight on budget and looking for value for money product, then this might be the one right for you. So please stay with me in the video. Let's begin. So guys, today I have a phone from Samsung M series, Samsung M21. The variant that I have is of iceberg blue color and it comes with specification of 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. So let's quickly unbox it. So guys, as I'm unboxing this phone, let me tell you that this is a budget friendly phone. That means it will excel at battery life, and also this phone comes in 3 different color options which I'll be showing you on the screen. So let's see what's inside this box. So as you can see, we find a SIM ejector tool here, and inside the box we find this quick start guide with regional lock guide and warranty card. So now let's move on to the phone. So guys, I'm removing the phone out of the box. We'll see it in a moment. Let's just quickly see what's in the box. So here we get a 15-watt Samsung charger. Along with that we get a Type-C cable. So now let's move on to the phone. So talking about the back side, we have a fingerprint sensor, and here we get a triple camera setup with a primary camera of 48 megapixel f2, a wide angle camera of 8 megapixel and a depth sensing camera of 5 megapixel, and in front we get a 20 megapixel f2.2 aperture camera. So talking about the left side of the phone, we get a screen lock unlock and power button along with a volume rocker. And moving on to the left side of the phone, we get dual SIM tray which supports 2 physical SIMs along with a memory card support up to 512GB. So guys, as I'm removing the plastic, you can have the first look at the phone. The phone is made of plastic material and the phone does look tough. Phone has subtle glossy texture which gives nice look to the phone. So guys, I'm booting up the phone now. I've already booted the phone, and in the first impression, the phone does look fast. So let me quickly go into the settings and check about its specification. So this phone is based on Exynos 9611 octa-core processor, which comes with Samsung's own One UI 2.0, which is based on Android 10, which is sufficient enough to do your daily task unless you are a heavy gamer. Moving down to the phone, we have a headphone jack, a Type-C port along with a speaker which is present over here. The thing that I like the most about this Samsung M21 is its One UI 2.0, which is so simple. Just have to scroll up, and when you are in menu and if you want to find your app, just have to scroll left or right and there you find your app. It's so simple, and the texts are very clean, which makes it easier for us to navigate us through the menu as well as for other scenarios. So guys, now I'm setting up my fingerprint sensor just to show you how it works. So I'm setting up my fingerprint now. Okay, now it's almost done. Let's see how well does it perform. So here I have unlocked the phone. Let's see. Okay, it's working quite fast. So guys, let's test the audio quality of this phone. Let me quickly switch to YouTube. So guys, as you can hear the sound quality of this phone, I think it's adequate, but I think it can be better. The main key feature of this phone is its used 6000 mAh battery, which should easily last about a day with normal usage. So guys, let's test the camera of this phone. So this is the primary camera that I'm using. Let's test the wide angle too. I'll be showing them in the screen. So guys, now I'll switch to selfie camera, and as you can see, the quality of the camera looks good. I'll be clicking some pictures and showing you. And this camera also supports a wide angle field of view, so you can have a look. Also, this camera supports live focus, so you can have a look at the picture. You can see that it is doing a decent job around the edges of my face. So let's click on picture. You can check the price of the phone in the link given in the description box. To conclude, I'd say this is one of the best phone in the segment and value for money product given its price. So that's it guys, that was the review of Samsung Galaxy M21 from me. And that said, thank you so much guys for coming over and watching my video, and if you like my video, please like and share.